Hello law school community, this is SU Law Technologies Guides, Tips, Tricks, and Tutorials. In this video we'll provide you with a brief overview of a SmartPrint ecosystem, MyPrint Center, and perhaps why use instead of SmartPrint Client. Finally, if you choose the SmartPrint Client, we provide you with an overview, install, configuration, and using SmartPrint Client. MyPrint Center. MyPrint Center is a web-based portal that allows you to quickly upload and print documents to any SmartPrint printer on campus. Let's take a look at how to use the MyPrint Center. As a reminder, make sure you're on SU's Eduroam Wi-Fi network on campus. Next, open up any supported web browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. Go out there and visit sp2.su.edu. Enter your network credentials, which is your SCU email address minus the @SCU, and then your MySCU portal password. Once you're in the main MyPrint Center console, click on the Upload Document button. When the document is uploaded, the SmartPrint system will process and render your document for printing. If for any reason that your document cannot be processed, then you will know immediately with a visual alert in this area. If your document is rejected by the system, then you must delete the document from the SmartPrint queue or inquire with the main university IT help desk at 408-554-5700 or email them at techdesk@scu.edu. PDF files that are generated by other sources usually have some issues with SmartPrint systems, so inquire with the main university IT help desk if you have concerns with your PDF document. If your render process has finished and everything looks good, then you'll see your document is ready. You will select the box next to your file and determine how you want the document to be printed. In other words, the number of copies, pages per size, color, etc. Then when you're ready to print, search and select the nearest SmartPrint printer. For example, if you're in Charney Hall and the closest SmartPrint printer is located in the copy room on the 3rd floor, then you would search for Charney Hall printers and select Charney Printer 3 as your printer. Double check your printer setup and then select the print button. This action would immediately send your document to the SmartPrint printer queue and output it to Charney Printer 3. Please remember that using MyPrint Center will print your documents immediately to the printer and bypass the release station located near the SmartPrint printer that you selected. So if your document has sensitive information, then perhaps you need to consider the SmartPrint Client. As a general rule, if your document even has 1 pixel of color, then you must search and select the nearest color SmartPrint printer. The rule is that color SmartPrint printers can release print documents that are monochrome and have content containing color. However, monochrome SmartPrint printers, indicated by BW, will only print monochrome content. Printing documents with content containing any color elements to a SmartPrint designated by BW will result in an error at the release station and also at the SmartPrint printer itself. Now let's look at the SmartPrint Client. For this video specifically, it's for the Windows OS. SmartPrint Client for Windows. So you have printed with MyPrint Center and figure you need an extra layer of security for your documents. The SmartPrint Client will provide you with that added layer of security and allow you to hold your print job for up to an hour in the print queue until you decide to release the document at the SmartPrint release station. Let's go over how to install, set up, configure, and test your SmartPrint Client. Step 1. Make sure you're on the Eduroam Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Search for the download area for SmartPrint Client for Windows. You have many ways to download the SmartPrint Client. If you're already in the MyPrint Center web portal, then click on the print driver/client download or SmartPrint information links. Also, you can open up a web browser, visit www.su.edu, and search for SmartPrint Windows. Step 3. Download the SmartPrint Client for Windows. Take special note that you must download the main install file plus an extra install file for Charney Hall SmartPrint printers. Step 4. Once downloaded, locate the SmartPrint Client for Windows and install it. In other words, double-click on the exe file for the main install file, select Next, Continue, etc. until you have fully installed the first client. Next, run the second install file, which is designated by Windows-color-HP, so you have the special print drivers to output to the color printers in Charney. Please note that 2 install printer drivers files are only designated for Windows users and if you're only going to be printing to color SmartPrint printers in Charney Hall. You will notice that your printer definitions now include 2 printers, SmartPrint Color and SmartPrint BW, also known as monochrome. Step 5. Check to make sure your printer setup is as follows. Step 6. Once you check your printer settings and are ready to print, then do a test print or proceed to print your document. Testing the SmartPrint print client is easy. Again, make sure you're on Eduroam Wi-Fi, select an app capable of printing or using the new SmartPrint printer definitions, For example, let's print out a meme like this. Go to print, select the correct SmartPrint printer definition. In this case, our meme is in color, so we select the correct SmartPrint printer, which is the color one. If this was 100% monochrome, we can select the color printer as normal. But if you know the only printer that is near you is monochrome, then you must select the printer definition SmartPrint BW. Let's click on print, and a pop-up will prompt you to lock the print job. Enter your network credentials, in other words your SU email address minus your @su.edu, and now the document is locked. Go to the nearest SmartPrint printer and use your access card, either physical or digital, and tap the release station. You will notice that your print job is being held until you select print. Select print, and your print job will print immediately pending no other jobs are ahead of you of your print jobs. Once you see your hard copy output, then pat yourself on the back. Great job. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions about SmartPrint, like why your print job didn't print, something about refunds, etc., then contact the Maine University IT Help Desk at 408-554-5700 or email them at techdesk@su.edu. Also, you can stop by the Service Center located in the Learning Commons main library across from the Benson Center. And as always, Law Technologies are here to help you, but limited to basic troubleshooting as we don't manage any university accounts or systems. For more helpful information, please visit our site, law.su.edu/lawtech, or our YouTube channel, search for SU Law Tech. Follow us on Instagram and or Twitter at SU Law Tech. Thank you and have a great year.